What's going on, guys? So, man, do I have an exciting video for you guys today. So, I don't know what you guys did as kids, but one of the things I can remember fondly from my childhood is building Lego. I had castles and all kinds of stuff that my little pea-brain mind could come up with. The other day, I got an email from Lego, and I was like, Lego? And they're like, Lego. And I'm like, okay, cool, what's up? How can I help you? These dudes have a freaking motorcycle kit, and they asked me to do a sponsored video and build this, and I told them, I was like, guys, my friends and I, we do motorcycle builds on the weekly. Never have I been more qualified to do a motorcycle build. So, in today's video, we will be building a Lego Harley-Davidson. Man, am I excited, and trust me, I am not an expert. Brian has warned me that this is going to take a really long time, and because of that, I'm gonna have to speed time up. So, here's the ridiculous setup. We've got the Lego here. I've got a giant light there. I've got a time-lapse camera that's just slowly going back and forth. I've got Lego lighting. I've got a table that my parts will be on. I've got a table to build on. I've even got lights back here. Fam, we ain't messing around today, but in today's video, let's build a Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Lego. I am excited if you can't tell. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, we gotta get into this thing. I don't know if you guys could tell on the back, when the wheel moves, the engine valves should move at the same time. So the attention to detail, I need a knife. Brian would be very upset. Step one of any Lego process is get organized. If you are not organized, this Lego will eat you alive. So we're gonna get all of the parts organized by their bags on this table, and that way this will be our assemblies table. This will just be the parts table. Alright guys, as you can see, we've got all the Lego laid out, but look at this freaking booklet you get. This is absolutely amazing. You get a photo of what the actual bike looks like, some history of Harley-Davidson, the dude that designed it. Lego has changed so much. Wait. Oh, different languages. Okay, got it. Whoo! Alright. Nothing like starting it. So, let's get this thing going. This is really cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. You do these in sections, so I shouldn't have opened the other bags. Oh no. All right, we only need bag one for now. I can't be messing up right out the gate, man. Okay, so I'm checking in, and we're officially done with the first bag. Oh my goodness, that was a lot. So at this point, we've basically built the engine from what I can tell, which is, it's insane the amount of detail that they got pistons going up and down, whatever. So that's the end of bag one. Now we're moving on to bag two. Alright, so we just finished up bag two, which essentially gets the bike to, got the rear wheel on, got the fender and everything. And moving forward, it looks like we're going to be adding the front section and the seat and stuff like that. You guys can see the instructions there. This may sound weird, but I feel like I'm starting to understand how a motorcycle works more after putting the Lego together. We're gonna keep on going, but just I'm giving you guys observations. All right, we're on bag 4 now. We now have the seat, the gas tank, the engine made, everything is done. And looks like bag 4 is just the front headlight assembly, the front tire, and the forks. It doesn't look like that big of a bag. We are killing the game right now. So we're going to continue on to finish this thing up. This is nostalgia overload for me. My dudes, let me get up in here. We are finally finished. This is so freaking cool. I'm looking through, yeah, look, we got to the back. They even have this really, like, that's legit. But yeah, there we go. That's what it looks like in the book. That's what it looks like in real life. Boom. All in all, I think it took about like 2.5, 3 hours to do the entire thing. So now that it's done, there's really nothing left to do but me to slightly rearrange these lights, and we can do an epic montage of the Lego Harley Fat Boy. Now that you've seen it, that's about it. That's it for the Lego Harley Fat Boy build. Killed it. If you guys want to check it out, I'll have a link down below. Lego, thank you for sponsoring this video. This was pretty awesome. I never thought I would be doing a video with Lego making a motorcycle build. That was pretty phenomenal. Make sure to hit the like button if you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was type of crazy video that we don't do very often. Guys, I'm Chaseontwowheels. If you enjoyed motorcycle content, well, regular motorcycle content, you guys can hit the subscribe button and like the video if you liked it. I appreciate you guys watching to the end of it. Outro crew, how many of you guys are going to go grab a Lego Harley Fat Boy? I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, you guys go and ride safe. Later.